everyone, welcome back to the Half Soybean channel. My name is Sharon and today I thought it would be fun to try and make a overlay organza dress. So whatever outfit you're wearing, it's kind of just like a sheer meshy dress that can go over the top of whatever you're wearing. And I've been seeing a few of these around lately and I thought it'd be super fun to try out. I think it's gonna be a pretty quick and easy project, so I hope you can try it out as well. I've got about 2 meters of this really fun organza fabric. It's got these like lines on them and it's kind of sparkly but subtle, and I thought it would be pretty cute to try and make something with this fabric. And I've just been seeing these types of dresses around, like there's a lot of fast fashion dupes, but I've seen Cecily Bunsen with her sheer overlay dress as well. That's super cute. I just want to kind of make a really easy smock dress, and I wanted to have puffy sleeves, be a little bit of a midi length. We'll see how we go. If you're a regular on this channel, you might already anticipate what my base pattern pieces are going to be, but it's my for the millionth time, it's just my front 2-dart bodice piece. I always leave a link in the description for some blog instructions of how you can make one, but you can also just kind of buy these kind of basic, what are they called? Just like basic patterns, so you can like adjust it to yourself. And the other option, as always, is to just trace like a t-shirt or something. It's honestly not the biggest deal because this dress isn't going to be super fitted or form-fitting, so we can just kind of, you know, a very airy, roomy route. I don't know if you can tell from my voice, but I'm very congested today, and I honestly don't know what it is. I think it's like, it could be the dust in my sewing room, but something's really like making me congested and allergic. I don't know what it is, so I might have to put a mask on in a little bit, but hopefully I don't. The first thing we want to do is actually just cut out rectangular pieces for the skirt. I think my skirt length should be about 65 centimeters. The width of my fabric off the roll is about 150 centimeters. So we're gonna cut out 2 of those. So 65 by 150 times 2. So one of those pieces is going to be the front of my skirt, and the back, another piece is going to be the back of my skirt, and that's all going to be gathered to form one just rectangular, super easy gathered skirt. Oh my god, I'm gonna use my rotary cutter. We've got rectangle 1 for the front, and we've got rectangle 2 gathered for the back, and that's all sorted. So we'll set that aside for now, chuck it on the floor, and our bodice. I'm having a reaction to something, just don't know what it is. And I do have a bit of a thing with pollen too. Oh my god. Even though we've got a dart bodice here, I'm actually not gonna use the darts. So now we have these 2 back pieces, our front piece. This is already so cute. I'm so excited for this. I usually just freehand my sleeve pattern as well. Start at a 90-degree angle. The first thing we're gonna do is connect the top bodice by the shoulders, and sew here. And while we're there, I'm also gonna connect the sides. We'll match up the side seams here and sew here. I've done the sides, the shoulders, and the back is still open, but it's already so cute. Like, it's really cute over this white t-shirt as well. Like, so the next course of action is just going to be finishing the raw edges of the open back. You can choose to do like a double fold edge. By the way, like, we're going to keep the back edge open and put ties on it, and that's how we're going to get in and out of the dress rather than putting in like zippers or buttons or whatever finishing it is. I want to fold it back and go a straight line. I'm up to the sleeves. Oh gosh. Okay, I've got some sleeves. I'm going to gather the top part so it's a little bit puffy, and I'm also going to gather the wrist part of this sleeve so that that part will be puffy too, putting a basting stitch on the top and bottom. Close off one side, the armpit side of the sleeve seam. Now we're going to attach the sleeve to the bodice, and so we've got our sleeve here, and I'm going to match up the armpit corner of the sleeve and also the armpit corner of the bodice, and just attach that the whole way around, right sides together. I wanted these sleeves to be long sleeve, hence the length, but after I've just tried it on like this, I don't know if I really like the long sleeves, so I want to make them half sleeves. Like, I'm just going to crop both sleeves and regather them, and we'll finish it off. What I'm gonna do to finish my sleeves, why did I say it like that? The end of my sleeves, I'm actually going to use an organza ribbon, and this is just like a white ribbon, you know, like to wrap presents in, but I thought it would be really cool to use this as like an organza bias binding. So I've already done like an overlock, but I guess you don't really need to do that because we could just apply this ribbon as if it were a bias tape. I honestly don't like the look of the overlock thread that you can see through the organza, but oh well. I'm going to repeat that step for the neckline, which I haven't overlocked yet, so hopefully that looks a bit better. Okay, so I've got my rectangle skirt piece, but what I want to do instead of gathering with a basting stitch, I want to do little pleats with this tiny fork. So I'm going to do fork pleats, and what the fork helps you do is keep the pleats very uniform and like the same size. Yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. So stick your fabric in one of the prongs, flip it around like this, baste it, do that again, put fabric in the one of the prongs, baste that down. I've just clipped the bodice and the skirt together, and I'm gonna sew that line. The dress is nearly done. However, I actually want to put in 2 belt loops on the side here so I can wear it tight or loose depending on how I'm feeling. I'm also going to add ties to the top of the neck here. hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in the next video. Bye!